Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the touchpad is physically present and enabled in BIOS. This prevents chasing software ghosts. Once that's set, download the manufacturer driver or ensure Windows Update has a matching driver ready. Next, open Device Manager. Press the Windows key, type Device Manager, and hit Enter. You want Device Manager visible so you can watch devices appear or change status immediately. This saves trial and error later and lets you take the precise next action. Now you'll force Device Manager to notice the touchpad. First, choose View, then Show Hidden Devices so nothing is concealed. Once done, right-click the computer name and choose Scan for hardware changes. That can surface uninstalled touchpad entries. If Windows still misses it, run Action Add Legacy Hardware, follow the wizard, select Install the hardware manually, then pick Pointing Devices and install the downloaded driver. This explicit path resolves many cases where plug-and-play doesn't. Finish by opening the touchpad entry's properties and using Driver Update driver to point at the OEM package. This ensures correct functionality. If the entry is disabled, right-click and choose Enable Device, then test gestures and sensitivity. Once done, reboot to let drivers initialize. If the device still doesn't appear, double-check BIOS touchpad settings and swap ports for external units. These hardware checks often reveal why software steps alone failed and guide your next repair move.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.